In this video, I am going to solve KCET 2018 Mathematics paper part 5. Let us move on to the question. First, question number 40. This question based on the chapter integral, particularly properties of definite integral. So let us see the question. In this case, modulus is there. Modulus of x cos pi x integrand. This is integrate this function from minus 2 to plus 2. So here we take I. This is r. As usual, you can write minus 2 to 2 modulus of x cos pi x with respect to x. Using the property minus a to a f of x dx, if it is even function, this is even function, this can be written as 2 into 0 to a, nothing but 2 modulus of x cos pi x. So, and then split this interval into at some points. These are the points are interval 0 to 2, split at the point 1 by 2, 1 and 3 by 2, because from 0 to 1 by 2 this is in first quadrant cos pi x, in first quadrant this is positive, from 1 by 2 to 1 this is in second quadrant, in second quadrant negative cos, from 1 to 3 by 2 this is third quadrant, so this is negative in third quadrant cos pi x. So 3 pi by 2 to 2, x where is 3 pi by 2 to 2, this is fourth quadrant, so it is taken as a positive. Now split the interval at this point 1 by 2, 1 and 3 by 2, this can be written as here modulus is there, this is positive in first interval, first quadrant, positive as it is 0, 2 into 0 to 2, x cos pi x with respect to x. Next, from 1 by 2 to 1 negative, because it is in second quadrant, 2 into 0 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 1 x cos pi x with respect to x. Next 1 to 3 by 2, once again negative, 1 to 3 by 2, so x cos pi x with respect to x. Last interval 3 by 2 to 2, this is positive, 2 into integration from 3 by 2 to 2 x cos pi x with respect to x. Now integration with respect to x, this is UV rule, apply the UV rule. Here in this case, first take as x, take as constant, integration of second function is sin v, integration of v, nothing but sin pi x divided by pi, differentiation of x1, 1 minus 1, again integration of sin pi x by pi minus cos pi x by pi, it becomes plus cos pi x divided by pi square from 0 to 1 by 2 minus, so here in this case same integrand x cos pi x, so same value is obtained these three integrand, directly we can write minus 2 into x sin pi x divided by pi plus cos pi x divided by pi square from 1 by 2 to 1. Next minus 2 same value, x sin pi x divided by pi plus cos pi x divided by pi square from 1 to 3 by 2. So last term plus 2 into same value x sin pi x divided by pi plus cos pi x divided by pi square from, this is pi square, from 3 by 2 to 2. So now apply the limits, in this case 2 into, here first 2 into, apply the upper limit, second part becomes 0, only first part, so 1 by pi, 1 by 2 pi, sin pi by 2, 1. Next lower limit minus, apply the lower limit, first part becomes 0, only second part, cos 0, 1 by pi square minus 2. So here apply the upper limit, first part becomes 0, second part cos pi minus 1 by pi square second. Upper the lower limit, in this case second part 0, lower limit 1 by 2, nothing but what, in this case 1 by 2 pi, but 1 by 2 pi by 2 nothing but 1, so minus 2. So here in this case apply the upper limit 3 by 2, second part becomes 0. First part, in this case sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2 pi. So upper the lower limit, first part becomes 0, second part minus of cos pi, again minus into minus plus 1 by pi square. Next last plus 2 into, in this case apply the upper limit, first part becomes 0, only second part cos 2 pi plus 1 divided by pi square minus second part upper the lower limit. If apply the lower limit, second part becomes 0, 3 pi by 2, only first part means what, in this case sin 3 pi by 2, again minus into minus plus 3 pi by 2, 3 divided by 2 pi. So here in this case minus 2 1 by pi square plus minus into minus plus 1 by pi square cancel. So here also minus 2 by pi square plus 2 by pi square cancel, remaining 2 cancel 1 by pi in first term, second term minus into minus plus 2 cancel 1 by pi, plus third term 2 cancel plus 3 by pi. So last term 2 cancel plus 3 by pi. So this is 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 plus 1 8 pi is the answer. So option A is correct. This is toughest problem. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question number 41. This question based on the chapter once again definite integration, by particularly properties of definite integration. Find the value of this integrand. So let us take as I this 0 to 1 dx divided by e power x plus e power minus x with respect to x. So we need one modification in this case, both numerator and denominator multiply by e power x. So it is an unknown, it convert into noun, e power x whole square plus in this case 1. So it is in the form of 0 to 1, this is f dash of x divided by f of x whole square plus 1 with respect to x, can be written as tan inverse of f of x plus c. So using this formula directly we can write off this answer. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. So I is equal to tan inverse of e power x is the answer in this case, tan inverse of e power x. Now apply the limit. So I is equal to tan inverse of e power 1 e power 1 e, nothing but lower limit, in this case tan inverse of e power 0 1 1. So it can be written as tan inverse of e minus tan inverse 1 pi by 4. So answer of this question tan inverse e minus pi by 4. This is easy question. All the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 42. Once again this question based on the chapter integral, particularly find the definite integration by substitution method. So let us take in this case I is equal to 0 to 1 by 2 dx divided by 1 plus x square into square root of 1 minus x square. Here we take substitution, put x is equal to sin theta. This is unknown integrand, convert known integrand. So in this case differentiate with respect to x, dx is equal to cos theta into d theta. Now here limit changes. When x is equal to 0, this implies theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1 by 2, theta pi by 60 degree, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 6. Now this function converted into theta, whole function converted into theta, it becomes 0 to pi by 6 dx cos theta d theta divided by 1 plus x sin theta, 1 plus sin square theta. So this is becomes 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta, square root of cos square theta, cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled. Here in this case we need both numerator and denominator multiply by secant square theta, because once again this is unknown integrand, this convert into known integrand. We need both numerator and denominator multiply by secant square theta divided by here secant square theta plus secant square theta into sin square theta d theta. So now I is equal to, here secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, sin square theta divided by secant square theta nothing but cos square theta, again tan square theta plus tan square theta 2 tan square theta. So in this case we need root 2 because one formula is there. So root 2 into secant square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta plus again tan square theta. So this can be written as once again 0 to pi by 6 root 2 secant square theta d theta divided by 1 plus 2 tan square theta can be written as root 2 tan theta whole square. Now it is in the form of integration of f dash of x divided by 1 plus f of x whole square dx is equal to tan inverse of f of x. So this is f of x, this is f dash of x. Directly we can write answer of this question is using this formula. 1 by root 2 is there. This can be written as tan inverse of f of x root 2 tan theta. Apply the limit from 0 to pi by 6. So 1 by root 2 as it is. Apply the limit pi by 6. This becomes tan inverse of root 2 pi by 6 tan pi by 6 nothing but tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. So next lower limit becomes 0, tan 0 0, tan inverse 0 is also 0. So answer of this question is I is equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse of root 2 divided by root 3 is the correct answer. Option A is correct in this case. This is average problem. Most of the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 43. This question based on the chapter application of integral. Usually they ask one or two question on this chapter in KCET. Here we take first question. So this is repeated question in KCET, 2 times repeated. So directly we can write the answer of this question. This is the standard result, cos x here in this case. So cos 0 1, cos pi by 2 0, cos 3 pi by 2, once again 0, cos 2 pi plus 1, cos pi minus 1. So in this case we have to find out the area under the curve 0 to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi. So 0 to 2 pi, so 4 pi, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, area is what, 4 pi square units. But here in this case we need 0 to pi half of this. So required area is equal to 2 pi square units. In this case we have to find out 0 to pi only. So of 2 pi square units is the correct answer. In this case 4 square units. This is becomes 2 square units. Option D is correct. This is NCERT direct question. They ask this type of question in theory examination 3 marks. Here in this case 1 mark. So this is 2 square units. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 44. Once again this question based on the chapter application of integral, area under the curve in this case. So let us see the question. The area bounded by the line y is equal to x identity function and x axis and ordinate x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. I am not solving this question by an usual method, nothing but using a definite integration by solving shortcut method. So using the graph of this function, so here in this case y is equal to x passing through the origin, this is the line, and x is equal to x axis, this is x axis, and x is equal to minus 1 parallel to y axis, this is x is equal to minus 1 line, and x is equal to plus 2, this is the parallel to the y axis, x is equal to plus 2. We have to find out the area of the region y is equal to x and x axis, and x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus 2, this is the required area. So these are two triangles, this is 1, this is 2. So in this case we have to the perpendicular, we have to find out the area of these two triangles by using the formula half into base into height. In this case this is 1 unit distance. This is also 1 unit because this is y is equal to x function. Put x is equal to 1, y is also 1 unit. So in this case this is 2 unit. So this is also 2 unit because the function is what, in this case y is equal to x. Put x is equal to 2, y is also 2. So this length is what, 2 unit. So using the base into height, so we have to find the required area. Required area A can be written as area of this triangle is half into base into height plus again half into base into height. So into 2 cancel, A is equal to half plus 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2 square units. So this is the answer of this question, 5 by 2. Option B is correct. So this is easy question. All the students solve this question easily. This is NCERT direct question. They ask this type of question in theory examination. It carries 3 marks. Here it carries 1 mark. I am solving this question by using a shortcut method. Take down. Now let us move on to the question number 45. This question based on the chapter differential equation. Usually they ask 5 or 6 question on this chapter in KCET. Let us take first question. Particularly this question based on the topic order and degree of the differential equation. In this case this is convert into first polynomial, cubic, raise the cube on both sides. This becomes d square y by dx square to the power of 3. In this case 3 get cancelled, becomes 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So now it is polynomial, so order to degree 3. So in this case we have to find out first degree and order. Degree, this is degree, this is order. So order 3, degree 2. So option B is correct in this case. This is easy question. Most of the students solve this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. Take down. So now let us move on to the next question, question number 46. This question once again based on the chapter differential equation, particularly find the solution of the differential equation by using variable separable method. So in this case take differential equation is given, x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 3. So here in this case x into dy by dx is equal to y plus 3. Now separate variables, dy by y plus 3 is equal to dx by x. Now integrate on both sides. So this becomes log of y plus 3 base e, it is understood. In this case log x base e plus integral constant log c. Now it becomes log of y plus 3 into log of x into c. Now this implies y plus 3 is equal to x into c. This is straight line. So it represents straight line. Solution of this differential equation is straight line. This is easy question. All the students solve this question easily because they have already solved this type of question in NCERT textbook. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 47. This question once again based on the chapter differential equation, particularly find the integrating factor of this differential equation. Now it converted to first standard form. Standard form means what? dy by dx. Here y by x move towards the left hand side. It becomes y is the common term, take outside, it becomes 1 minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x. Now it is in the form of dy by dx plus y into p is equal to q. Now integrating factor of this is p, this is q. Integrating factor of this differential equation is e power p dx. Now e power p dx means what? 1 minus 1 by x with respect to x. So now integrating factor is equal to e to the power of x minus log of x. So this can be written as e to the power of x, e to the power of log x inverse, e to the power of x. This can be written as x inverse, nothing but e power x divided by x is the integrating factor of this differential equation, e power x by x. C, option C is correct. This is NCERT direct question. All the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 48. This question based on the chapter vector. Usually they ask 5 or 6 question on this chapter. In this case we have to take first question. In this case this is the mixture of dot and cross product. So here this is the given condition and this is also given condition, then find the magnitude of b. So this can be written as using the formula a cross b, magnitude of a square into magnitude of b square into sine square theta plus magnitude of a square into magnitude of b square into cos square theta is equal to 144. So in this case a is given 4 square 16, b here we have to find out magnitude of b square. Here also a 16, b square common take outside, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 144. This values becomes 1. Now magnitude of b square is equal to 144 divided by 16. So this is 12 square, this is 4 square. Now magnitude of b is equal to 12 by 4, nothing but 3. So option C is correct. In this case we have to find out the magnitude of b is C. So this is easy question. All the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 49. Once again this question based on the chapter vector, particularly dot product of the vector. In this case you have to find out the value of this quantity, but here in this case a and b are mutually perpendicular each other. A dot b or b dot a is equal to 0 and unit vector. So magnitude of a equal to magnitude of b equal to 1. Using these two conditions we have to find out the value of this quantity. 3 into 5, 15, a dot a magnitude of a square minus 18 magnitude of a dot b, next plus 10 b dot a and minus 12 magnitude of b square. These are 0 because a dot b dot is 0. So 15 magnitude of a square 1, magnitude of b is also 1, 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So answer of this question is B. This is NCERT direct question. All the students solve this question easily. Take down. So now let us move on to the question number 50. This question once again based on the chapter vector, particularly scalar triple product. So in this case these three vectors are coplanar, means scalar triple product becomes 0. So scalar triple product means what? Determinant. So first row contains first vector scalar components a1 1, second row second vector scalar component 1b1, third row 1 1 c. Directly expansion, this becomes a bc minus 1 minus 1, delete first row second column, c minus 1 plus 1, delete first row third column, remaining 1 minus b is equal to 0. Now it can be written as ABC minus A minus C plus 1 minus B is equal to 0. So we have to find out ABC minus take outside A plus B plus C. So these are 1 plus 1 2, move towards right hand side, it becomes minus 2. So required answer is minus 2. ABC minus A plus B plus C minus 2 is the correct answer. So this is easy question. All the students solve this question easily. Take down.